ready to unleash your coding potential on a powerful and open-source platform. We're diving straight into Ubuntu 16.04 to install Eclipse IDE, your gateway to crafting amazing software. First, open your terminal. It's your command center for system operations. You can typically find it by searching terminal in your Ubuntu application launcher. Now, let's update your system's package list. This ensures you have the latest versions of all the software packages. Type sudo apt update into the terminal and hit enter. You'll be prompted for your password. Enter it carefully, as you won't see it displayed then. Press enter again. Once the update is complete, let's make sure we have Java installed. Eclipse requires a Java Development Kit, or JDK, to run. Type in sudo apt install default and hit enter. You may be prompted to confirm the installation. Type Y for yes, and then press enter. The system will download and install the JDK. Next, let's download the Eclipse installer. Open your web browser and navigate to the official Eclipse downloads page. Look for the version that suits your development needs. The Eclipse IDE for Java developers is a great starting point. Download the Linux version. Once the download is complete, locate the installer in your downloads folder. Double-click the installer to launch it. The Eclipse installer window will appear, presenting different packages suitable for web, Java, and other types of development. Select the package that aligns with your coding interests. Eclipse IDE for Java developers is a solid choice for general Java development. Click on it. Review the installation details, and then click the Install button. Eclipse will now begin the installation process. Once the installation is complete, you can launch Eclipse from your application launcher. Search for Eclipse and click on the icon, and there you have it. Eclipse IDE is now successfully installed on your Ubuntu 16.04 system. Happy coding!